How's it going, y'all? Ryan Principe here with Principe Performance. Today we're taking my N54 from this to this. Alrighty, so big news. E90 is going to come back to life. I don't know if you guys know, but unfortunately, I blew up the turbos. We'll get some clips of the smoke and everything in between and the whole process of me converting it from twin turbo to single turbo, and then we'll kind of go from there. But we do have a single turbo N54 as well right here. Glad I didn't buy this kit because we're going to pick up a big turbo from Oklahoma right now. So stay tuned. Alrighty, so we are officially on the way to Oklahoma. It's about a 2 hours and 54-minute drive. We're going to be picking up that single turbo kit I was talking about earlier. Stay tuned for the whole build process. I'm going to be getting piston rings and also some new rod bearings as well. Just to refresh the motor, we're going to do the oil pan gasket, block offs, new turbo oil lines and feed lines. Stay tuned. This build's gonna be insane. Got my Ray-Ban Metas as well. We'll use maybe some clips of that, and then yeah. So stay tuned. Let's get there.
It tastes good like soul food. Parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the OU. The dog always find his way back home, and it's so true.
Alrighty, so we are arriving to Chase Bank to pull out some cash to acquire our new item. Probably 10-15 minutes from arriving at our destination. It's been a long 3 hours, you know, just jamming, just vibing on that beat. Shout out Chase. Oh shit.
This bitch all the way up. Hey, Brandon, yeah. I'm on the block with that heavy, yeah. On the block with that heavy, yeah.
One thing E90 really is this headlight my friend had made a long time ago. That's about it.
And that's a single turbo headlight?
Yeah, this is the light that works. I've never used it. You have to wire it up. This dude named, I don't know if you've heard of Noah. I'm Noah on TikTok. He has an 80 feet E90, but this was his. But yeah, it's for single turbo, yeah.
Throw that in the deal?
Yeah, I'll throw it in for you. That's fine.
Alright, man.
Okay.
Alrighty, so we have officially secured the single turbo kit. We're gonna have to do quite a bit of custom fab, but that's why we're pulling the motor out to get everything 100% before we put it back in. I think I'm gonna pull the car in when we get back to the shop, and I'm gonna get that motor pulled by 5:30. Not gonna lie, I think it's pretty possible. But yeah, stay tuned for the build process. I'll walk you guys through single turboing a twin turbo N54. We're gonna do the welded block offs and stuff like he was saying. They are a little ghetto, but it'll do for now. And then yeah, we'll go from there. We'll have to figure out turbo coolant, feed line, and whatnot, and go from there. Yeah.
Well, we made it back.
We made it back, and the guys are checking it out. They're shocked, to say the least.
Well, the welding's pretty good on this.
Yeah. So I'm about to pull the motor right now.
You need to wait.
So we got the 335 in the shop. We got the single turbo and everything. We're putting all the aftermarket parts over there. That's where I'm going to be building the engine at. I got Dario taking down the downpipes right now. I'm getting all this front end stuff all taken out. I'm gonna start disconnecting these coolant lines and then separating everything from the front of the motor out of the way, and then we'll kind of go from there. Alrighty, so 335 is coming all apart. As you can see, all the harnessing is all separated. Everything is coming out as it should. Let's rip this out. This wasn't even clamped. So it's a good thing we're doing a refresh. As you can see, there's a lot of oil and whatnot around on this. So we're stuck. We're currently stuck. The motor doesn't want to come out. Pretty strange why it doesn't want to come out. Yeah. So we're pulling it out. We're getting it out. We're on the way to victory.
My wrist it look like a victim of R. Kelly. That mean my yellow diamonds look like piss. Canary wet like a fish. Canary wet like a boat. If I ain't rap, then I probably sell dope. Lil Uzi Vert, tell me why you so dope. Shit, that's some shit I don't even know. I got a stick in this modular coat. Yeah, clipping these modular pins. Damn, fuck nigga, you could get fed. Damn.
My poor car.
What do you mean poor, bro? Look over there. What's that over there?
Thought I bought a mint one.